In this video, we'll be learning how to do a half double crochet decrease. First, you will yarn over. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over, and now you should have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and insert the hook into the next stitch. You should now have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through all 5 loops. You've now completed your first half double crochet decrease. I normally put a stitch marker in the first stitch of the round. It's a good habit to have when crocheting. It's so that you remember where your first stitch is located. Let's do the same thing again in the next couple of stitches. And this is how it looks like after completing a couple of half double crochet decrease stitches. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching how to half double crochet decrease.